Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to slide on Call of Duty Mobile. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to learn how you can slide on Call of Duty Mobile, then here is how you can do it. First, open your Call of Duty mobile game and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, simply go ahead and select a game mode and start joining into the game. Now, while on a game, if you want to slide on Call of Duty mobile, then simply tap on the forward button, and while you are running on Call of Duty mobile, simply go ahead and tap on the crouch button in order to slide. So all you need to do is to press the forward running button and tap on the crouch button in order to slide on Call of Duty Mobile. That is all you need to do. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.